How can I make a Python script standalone executable to run without any dependency? I'm building a Python application and don't want to force my clients to install Python and modules. So, is there a way to compile a Python script to be a standalone executable?
You can use PyInstaller to package Python programs as standalone executables. It works on Windows, Linux, and Mac. PyInstaller Quick Start. Install PyInstaller from pipi. Go to your programs directory and run. This will generate the bundle in a subdirectory called dist. Adding f, or one file, parameter will pack everything into single x. Running into import error, you might consider side packages. Still running an import error, try to downgrade PyInstaller. See getting error when using pinput with PyInstaller. For a more detailed walkthrough, see the manual.
You can use py2.exe as already answered and use Cython to convert your key.py files in .py. See compiled files, like .dll in Windows and .so on Linux. It is much harder to revert than common .po and .py files, and also gain in performance.
You might wish to investigate Nuka. It takes Python source code and converts it into C++ API calls. Then it compiles into an executable binary, ELF on Linux. It has been around for a few years now and supports a wide range of Python versions. You will probably also get a performance improvement if you use it. It is recommended.
Yes, it is possible to compile Python scripts into standalone executables. PyInstaller can be used to convert Python programs into standalone executables under Windows, Linux, Mac OS X, FreeBSD, Solaris, and X. It is one of the recommended converters. Py2.exe converts Python scripts into only executable on the Windows platform. Cython is a static compiler for both the Python programming language and the extended Cython programming language.
And a third option is CX_freeze, which is cross-platform.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.